Welcome to e-hallpass. We're logged in as a teacher, and in this video we're just going to do a short overview of appointment pass. Remember, appointment passes are great for one-on-one conferencing needs and to schedule those makeup tests with students. So to schedule an appointment pass with a student, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu bar, find appointment pass, and click on it, and it will take you to the appointment pass screen. Here, you'll notice you can see all appointment passes, not only for today, but you'll also see today's appointments that are in yellow, the future appointments that are in white, missed appointments that will show up in blue, activated appointments, and then any canceled appointments that are in red. Okay, and then to create an appointment pass for your student, you're just going to go over to the green Create button and click there. You're going to select the student that you'd like to create a pass for. So we're going to create a pass for student 1. Then you choose the date that you would like to see that student. We're going to see him today, and then the period that you'd like to see the student, and then the time. So let's see the student at 11:25. Do not forget to put in the teacher that you're pulling that student from. So we're going to pull this student from teacher 3. And we're going to have the student make up a test. And then you click Submit. This not only shows up on the appointment pass area right here, it also shows up on the student's device under their appointment passes, and it will show up on the dashboard, and I'll show you where that is in just a second. You can see there are these thumbs up here. The student receives in-app notification as well as email reminders that occur 20 minutes prior to the appointment and 5 minutes prior to the appointment. If you make these ahead of time, they will also receive a 7 a.m. email agenda in the morning of, showing them all the appointments that they have for that day. Let's go over to the dashboard so I can show you where all of your appointments are for the day. So if we click on this appointment area that's red, this shows me all the appointments that I'm involved in for just today. Okay, now I'm going to wait a few minutes and show you what happens when that student's appointment gets closer and show you where you see those thumbs up appearing on your screen. Here is what the student's in-app notification will look like, and when they click on this acknowledge, we will see the thumbs up appear on this teacher's dashboard. Right here we see that 1 thumbs up, and then when we get closer and there's that 5-minute notification, we'll see 2 thumbs up. This student has received their second in-app notification, the 5-minute one, and they have given us a thumbs up. Let's see what's happened on our dashboard. So it has moved from the appointments red area to the dashboard waiting approval from teacher number 3. So teacher number 3 will approve this student to leave the classroom. I'm just going to approve it from our dashboard here. And then the student will arrive in our classroom and we'll just end and keep just like a normal pass. This was a quick overview of appointment pass. We hope you found this training video valuable. If you should have any questions about using e-hallpass, please follow your school's process for submitting system questions. Thank you.